Plants can transform any space, adding beauty, freshness, and a sense of tranquility. Whether you live in a small apartment, a cozy home, or an office, there are creative ways to incorporate greenery without taking up too much space. Vertical gardening, hanging planters, and multi-tiered plant stands are excellent options for maximizing your area while keeping it stylish and functional. One of the best ways to introduce plants into your space is by using wall-mounted planters. These not only save floor space, but also create a stunning green wall effect, making your home feel vibrant and alive. Additionally, hanging planters near windows allow you to utilize natural light while adding a decorative touch. For those with limited room, shelves and stackable plant stands can accommodate multiple plants without cluttering your surfaces. If you're looking to add greenery to your workspace, small potted plants like succulents, snake plants, and peace lilies are perfect choices. They require minimal maintenance and improve air quality, helping you stay focused and energized. Meanwhile, compact indoor trees, such as fiddle leaf figs or bonsais, can serve as eye-catching centerpieces in your living area. To make the most of your space, consider using multifunctional furniture with built-in plant holders. Coffee tables, bookshelves, or room dividers designed with plant compartments can seamlessly blend greenery into your decor. By strategically placing plants in different areas of your home or office, you can create a refreshing environment that promotes relaxation and well-being. No matter how small your space may be, there's always room for plants. With a little creativity and smart arrangement, you can enjoy the benefits of nature indoors while enhancing the aesthetics of your surroundings.